It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Hi, John. At this stage, I think the players are just desperate to get out there, and this promises to be a terrific game.
And here are the starting lineups. So, here we go then. He takes a shot. They've made a flying start. Across, and he's there to clear it. He has a go. My word, that was travelling.
Well, that was worth the effort. I mean, it was a long way out, but he caught it so well. Now, this has been such a positive approach from them in the early part of this game. Everybody is programmed to get forward, and despite a couple of failed attempts, they are the better side.
Diego Perez. Caught him there, free kick. And he goes for it. That was really close.
Oh, listen, to come that close is a really, really good attempt, and judging by the crowd's reaction, they thought he'd done enough too.
Samarco. It's a throw-in. Mudingai. Aquafresca's cross. It's a corner. It could have been worse. Cleared away to safety. 15 minutes to go until the half-time whistle. Picked off the ball. Mudingai. Gaston Ramirez. Looking to carve open the defence. The pass cut out. Wants to get this forward. Still level, but just 5 minutes to go to half-time. Gaston Ramirez. plays this forward. An opportunity down the side. And they've hooked it clear. Good interception from the defender, and it's cleared for a throw-in. A cross in, and the cross dealt with. A ball in, and a strong header. The whistle goes, and it's the end of the first half.
Well, it's left me wondering if either manager is going to change tactics now and push more bodies forward in search of a goal.